Yep.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the movement. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm coming to you live from the Hibiscus Lodge Resort in Ocho, St. Anne's. And the reason why I'm here today, my best friend is about to get married. At least one of my best friends is about to get married, so I'm here to support him. Now guys, I'm going to give you a quick walk of the property. So first, as you enter, guys, is the lobby right here. I'm gonna walk through the lobby to the back where there's a balcony, and right here is the lobby. You have some beautiful chairs. It appears to me from bamboo. Very nice and relaxed. And over here is the front deck. Now we're going to give you a walkthrough from the lobby to the gazebo. Hi, morning. Over here is the restaurant. Now, this is a nice spot for dining, guys. As you can see, this place is very nice, very relaxed, overlooking the ocean right there. Absolutely beautiful freestyle, as you can see for yourself. Nice and relaxed. I'm going to head down to the dining area, go downstairs. This is the dining area right here. Tell you guys, this place is very nice, very relaxed, very calm, not too fussy, and I really like it. And as you know, we just celebrate our 60th independence in Jamaica a day ago, so the black, green and gold speak volume of our 60th independence celebration. Here we go, freestyle. This is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. As I always say, guys, there is nothing like Jamaica. I mean, like the white sand, the ocean, I mean, like it's just a whole vibe. I think my friend's wedding is gonna take place up there. I guess they're doing the decoration right now. They're doing the decoration for my friend's wedding. Blue and white is the theme. But freestyle, I just can't get enough of this view. It's just amazing, like, trust me. Jamaica is such a beautiful island. I mean, like, I've been to so many places, but not because I'm Jamaican, guys, but I must tell you, when it comes on to certain things, there is nothing like Jamaica. Absolutely beautiful. right here overlooking the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. There are some nice, beautiful green spaces, of course. Nice garden. This is a nice place for a wedding or a wedding reception, as my friend will be getting married on this property today. Now I'm walking towards the room. Guys, if you know what fruit is this, put it in the comment section. I bet you all don't know what fruit is this. It's a fruit. Right, you mostly find it on the beach side or the river side. Put the name of this fruit in the comment section, guys. Overlooking the ocean, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. The swimming pool. There's a bridge right here that takes you over onto the balcony, and all on the balcony again you're overlooking the ocean. So this entire property, wherever you go, you're overlooking the ocean. And look at the depth of the balcony and the ocean. I'm not a fan of height, but doing it for the vlog. Separate and apart from what I'm doing, guys, I must say that, guys, Ocho is a very beautiful town. I love it in Ocho. It's just cool. Right here we're getting some nice breeze from the ocean. Wow, freestyle. This is just simply amazing. Simply amazing. Jamaica, the land of wood, land and water. Everything airy, no problem. Guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't been subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely chill. Right here is a jacuzzi pool. Now we're gonna go down to the beach freestyle, so come along with me. Walk down the corridor right here, and I assume it takes you right on the beachfront. So let's see where we end up. Let's tell you guys, the breeze is very cool, but I must tell you the place is extremely hot. Wow. Trust me guys, the construction that they put in this property is just amazing. You know what I mean? To build it from the ocean, come straight up, it's just absolutely breathtaking. Look at that. Hibiscus Lodge, Ocho Center. Nice palm trees. Guys, I'm so much of a fan of palm trees. When I see palm trees and coconut trees, I get excited. Might sound some kind of way, but okay. So now we're on the beach. Okay, lovely. Nice and chill freestyle. I don't think it gets any better than this. Now I'm right here on the beachfront, as you can see guys, and as I said before, the construction that they put in place for this property is just amazing. Look over there, look at that. Look at that. Look kind of scary, ain't it? Wow. Water is so calm, nice and pretty. Trust me freestyle, I would just sit here all day and just listen to the wave of the ocean. It is so relaxing. Guys, hands down, there is no other place like Jamaica. Now I'm walking back up to the room area, and I must say freestyle, these stairs is no joke to climb guys. It's a lot of work, but the view is absolutely beautiful. Now guys, I have just seen one of my favorite fruit, which is guinea. So of course, you know, I have to come over, see if I could get some. I tell you guys, only in Jamaica, you walk and you just walk into a fruit tree. Look at that. Nice guinea right here guys. As I said before guys, this place has some beautiful green area. Isn't it beautiful? Relax. and beautiful is the word. Now this view right here, freestyle, is from the room balcony. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So freestyle, I'm going to end the tour of the property right here. So catch you later, guys, when I give you some clippings of the wedding proceeding. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, join the movement. Tourists out there snorkeling, as you can see, guys. It's a snorkeling kind of day, guys. I think that's the Sandals reef right there. There's a sandal boat right over there, guys.